Success models a serious business. The 10th man view of national security. War belongs not to the province of arts and sciences. It would be better, instead of comparing it with any art, to liken it to business competition, which is also a conflict of human interests and activities. Karl von Clausewitz. Developing, promoting, and nurturing success models is a serious business for the powerful nations of the world. Think about this. What would be the response of those rats pigeons that were not inside the box but were watching their community members earning some easy rewards, food in that case, only by displaying a particular kind of behavior, repeatedly? For them, the whole process occurs as nothing but a success model, a path to sure success. The business model of these psychological tech innovations is based on three key things: rewards like share, retweets, followers, impressions, branding, and other symbolic items with some real monetary benefits as well, punishments, shadow ban, complete ban, downgrading, false ratings, suspension, follower reduction, debranding, etc., and feedback, monitoring response movements in real time and customizing the settings accordingly, are everything which tech corporations sum up in one word: engagement. These are the similar kind of components which Skinner's technology of behavior was weaved around. What Skinner wanted throughout his life was a way to test his crackpot ideas on a massive population set and to shape those ideas into a template model that countries across the world would emulate to create a perfectly shaped world. He was often found saying in his interviews that it would set a pattern. It would be copied by others if he remained successful. Within a few years of his research, Skinner's box was launched in a new avatar, the World Wide Web, and the rest is history. Today, India is the most online country in the world. An average Indian spends 6.36 hours a day online, which is close to a full-day work shift. Now the question that we need to ask is, how long can we afford to watch our people and societies being conditioned by some devoted disciples of Skinner, sitting in Silicon Valley, Harvard, or at the campus of the American Psychological Association? It is important here to note that all these experiments were going on parallel to the efforts of developing the information warfare doctrine by the US military establishment, and their main theme was to target and attack the will of the enemy or enemy nation. If in Skinner's argument, free will is nothing but an illusion, then what was the US military planning to attack? And why do they invest so heavily in subverting, conquering something which does not exist? To explore the idea of success models, let's take an example from our colonial past. Watch the next part of the series.